So guys, how's the game today?
Good. I got like 45 seconds. How about you?
I feel like a whole minute.
Really, Fred? How'd you do?
I got like 15 seconds.
I got taken
Damn!
out.
Coach likes you now.
Yeah, I know.
That's more than last time.
Guys, I got taken out for 2 fouls.
Jesus
A
Christ.
minute.
2 fouls? Hi, guys!
Are you guys the bench warmers?
Yeah.
Freaking fake! All the good kids drink all the Gatorade.
I know. We got the water that...
So, what are you guys planning on doing for the season?
I'm planning on tapping I'm planning on tapping Mr. Toomey a little.
Fred, how do you feel about Lindsay Bush starting before you?
Lindsay Bush, please.
Why would I start anyway?
Why are you guys talking retarded?
It's Jake Paul and Eminem.
Well, I guess talking like Lowen.
No way,
Look at the crowd. I'm Lowen. I am.
Guys, you're
Now start a
ruining
fight.
it. It's our bench warmers.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
Sorry, Lowen.
Lauren, do you play any sports?
I play hockey.
I heard you play football.
Special Olympics. Ever heard of that?
Oh my god, do you know Jeffy?
Yeah.
And Glenn? Do you know Glenn?
He's my
English?
Guys,
Here's my
next
brother
game's
who
gonna be
likes to go
funner.
swimming
I think
with
I
me
might actually
naked.
get to, you know,
I think I'm about to start.
Oh my God!
I think I'm gonna start the last quarter. I hope so. We're gonna win by 40 though. That's why they put it in.
Thank God that we were like up by 40, or else we wouldn't have gotten to play.
Yeah, I know.
What's this for, MySpace?
Yeah. Cut it.
Gabby.
Stop.
Stop.